here for all your questions. If you have any, kindly raise your hand or you can type it in the chat box.
Yes, there's one question which says, for people with disability, at what stage of the interview should you ask or clarify questions about special needs, such as transport, remote work possibility, reasonable accommodation, etc.?
Naman, actually your voice was breaking. Can you type that question in the chat box?
Okay, sure. I'll just send that question for everyone. Guys, it's there.
Okay. The question is, for people with disability, at what stage of the interview we should clarify questions about special needs, such as transport, remote work possibility, reasonable accommodation, etc. So, according to me, like when the entire recruitment process has been done and when the employer asks, do you have any further questions for us? Then it is a perfect time when one should talk about these issues you are facing. You should be very well aware of the culture you are going in, the company organization. So it's very important for any person to be fully aware about that organization, whether they would be supporting their disability needs and the things they really require to be a part of that organization, and so that you are able to contribute happily in that organization. So it's very important to raise these issues. And when the employer talks about gives you a time to ask you questions, then one should talk about these questions. And if the employer does not provide you with any such opportunity, then uh, when you know that the interview is coming to a conclusion, you can ask these questions.